Hi, the date is February 26th, 2021. This is my update on how far I've gotten in uh, the Udacity for just Java. So here is my activity main XML, and I'm currently on lesson 19, or no, yeah, lesson 19, I think, or lesson 1, part 19, I think is it. Um, this is my main activity. I just recently added the different increments. In the next one, I think I will be making it so that instead of when I press this, see it goes up to 3, but when I press down, it goes straight to 1, it doesn't go down to 2. I'm going to be able to make it go up every different layer. And when I order, it goes back to the original thing. And when I press this, the price doesn't move at all. So that's, I think, what I'm going to do in the next one. This is my Git Kraken. These are all my commits so far. This whip is just me changing the initial value to 2 instead of 1. So when I do a little bit more, I'm going to commit that. Yeah. But my emulator is working and everything. This is my split design. This is the design and the code. Yeah.